We're here in Lake Elsinore, California. 506E was the Sedco Inc. I think Sedco or Sedco Industries. They made a 22 long rifle, ring of fire gun. They're here. This is one of the southernmost. I think it might actually be the most southern location. So the way that went was George Jennings created Raven, and just after '68, his son Bruce made Jennings with his scaled down 22 long rifle version. Okay, so that worked, and then George's daughter married the factory manager, I think, or something like that, at Raven, and they started Davis Industries. Okay, so we've got George, Bruce, and then his daughter, and Davis Industries. So the brother, guy who married his daughter, decided that Bruce was doing pretty good with the 22, so he decided to start Sedco Industries and make his own version of the 22. So it's George's factory manager and his son-in-law worked at Davis. His brother started Sedco. So Sedco's not a direct relation to George or the Raven, but it was a copy of the Jennings. So he got sued out of business. They didn't make very many of them, and that's the story of the Sedco Industries. And 506E is their place. So not a very big place. You can see these are basically an industrial park here, and they get a bay and an office, so it didn't take a lot of room to make a little firearm, and they weren't in business very long. But we're about an hour to Los Angeles that way and an hour to San Diego that way, and it was our first stop on the Ring of Fire tour. And stay tuned for more. Let us know if you've got a Sedco, what you think of them. Kind of a cool looking weird one, but they didn't work very well. I do have one in the collection. They're kind of hard to get a hold of, so definitely be curious if there's any other Sedco owners out there. Let us know. And hey, as always, thanks for watching.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.